Good morning, warm welcome to Sourav Sir classes. This is Chinu Thakur, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about ISEE examination. This examination is really important, guys, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how our Sourav Sir class will make a very good course plan for you. What is the strategy of Sourav Sir classes to make a good score for this examination? So let's get started for our video. So guys, ISEE examination, this is really important. It's a school entrance exam. So what is the ISEE Independent School Entrance Exam is, and what is the important criteria, the important information? All these things I'm going to give you in this video. So basically, this totally depend on level examinations, the whether different levels of this examination is lower level, middle level, and upper level. For lower level, the students applying to grade 5 to 6, and middle level for students applying to grade 7 to 8, and upper level for students applying to grade 9 and 12. Basically, this is the independent school entrance examination. So for this examination, you can get admission in every or any school or any international institute, whether it's an independent school or a private middle school. So in this video, I'm just going to tell you how Saurabh sir class will make a real and a perfect study plan to get good score in such kind of examination, because their teacher are really helpful, guys. So what are the section for this paper are verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, reading comprehension, mathematics achievements, and essay. In verbal reasoning, you have to test vocabulary through synonym and sentence completion. Then quantitative, we have to focus on problem solving and mathematical thinking. Of course, they are just want to say the critical thinking of students. Okay, so reading comprehension, they are giving you test which checked your ability to understand the analyze and examples and finding the real meaning of the words. So mathematical achievement, they are covering the math concept and skills directly. And in essay, not scored but sent to schools to assess the writing skills only. So this is not give a very good scoring for essay, but they send to school to just check how is your writing skill is. So all these sections are really, I would say, they are long and taking a great timing. So you have to be prepared as well. So what is the purpose of this examination is, and what are the test format? So the purpose is measure student progress according to state learning standards and helps identify areas for improvement. Then the test format is consist of multiple choice question, short written response, and extended essay style questions. So all these parts is related with this examination, and if you want to prepare this examination, so you have to really work hard, guys. Okay, well, because you are preparing for all these things. So college level reading and writing and study skill time management. So what is Saurabh sir is there to giving you focus on enhancing students reading comprehension and writing skill. College level means for the higher level. Okay, if you are in the high level, so you have to prepare like a college level reading and writing. So your skills or writing skills for college essay and applications would help you. Study skills and time management is there to teach you effective study habits. Note taking and time management strategies are help you when you are preparing such kind of paper. So guys, so don't worry, our teacher are there and they help you to scoring well. So scoring is based on a scale, score and percentile rank, with the essay being evaluated separately by schools. Okay, so test format is offered in both paper and online formats depending on the school or test center. So whatever school required, if they required offline mode, so they give you pen paper format, or if you require online format, that will be more easier. It's totally depend on the school, guys, so that will tell you when you're preparing with us, so we'll give you all information. So how Saurabh sir class plan strategies for ICEE preparations, guys, this is the important thing which raised in your mind. So Saurabh sir class is there to make a good plan for you. How? So they customize your study plan tailored to the specific level, for example, lower, middle, or upper, and individual student strength and weakness. They focus on your core areas, intensive practice on verbal reasoning, reading comprehension, quantitative reasoning, and mathematic achievement. So all these things they have to carry out. Our teacher will there to make you understand each and everything. Their personalized feedback is important, guys, because in-depth performance analysis of mock tests to identify weak areas and implement targeted improvement. It's similar like a test, okay? So our faculty will give you small tests to just checking your in-depth performance. And strategy development is also there because technique for tackling different question type, managing time effectively, and reducing test anxiety. So anxiety is I would say it's enemy for you. So don't take any kind of tensions because we are there to help you. So these all things there to make you understand this paper. So need not worry, guys. Thank you so much. I think I have given you all important question related with this examination. If you need any help, just give a small comment in our comment section and our administrative team will reach you out within some moments. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet you soon in our next session.